In 1942, the United States Navy launched a new class of warships that would become the backbone of the Allied victory in the Pacific, the Fletcher-class destroyers. These ships were fast, deadly, and built to survive hell. Over 175 Fletcher-class destroyers were constructed between 1942 and 1944. Each one carried young sailors, some barely 18, into the most violent ocean war in human history. Their job was brutal: protect aircraft carriers, hunt submarines, escort supply ships, fight off kamikaze attacks, and engage enemy fleets at close range. They were called Greyhounds of the Sea, always running toward danger. A real tragedy beneath the waves. In late 1943, during the height of the Pacific War, several Fletcher-class destroyers were sent to escort Allied convoys through submarine-infested waters. German and Japanese submarines were hunting relentlessly. One night, in rough seas and total darkness, a Fletcher-class destroyer was struck by a torpedo. The explosion ripped through its hull. Engines failed, fire spread, water poured in. The crew fought to save her, but war is unforgiving. Within minutes, the ship disappeared beneath the waves, taking steel, weapons, and parts of history down into the black depths. Some crew survived, some did not. And like so many wartime wrecks, the ship was never seen again, for decades. 80 years of silence. For more than 80 years, the destroyer lay in total darkness. No waves, no engines, no voices, only rust, cold water, and slow decay. Coral grew where sailors once stood. Fish swam through where radios once spoke. Shell holes became homes for sea creatures. A war machine became a grave. Why finding these ships matters. When these ships are found, they are not just metal. They are memorials, time capsules, stories frozen in steel. Restoring a ship like this is not about weapons. It is about remembering the people who served on it. That is why WWII restoration touches millions of hearts.